Welcome to another episode of Scarfing It Down with Julio Lopez. Today we're going to be doing the famous Dominican fried cheese. Okay? So we got here queso fresco, and then we have some flour, battering on this flour, and then heat your pan at 360 or so. Do it deep fried. We have to just be careful that it doesn't crumble. Then just coat it with flour, and then just drop it. Let it golden up, and nice and golden. And these you can eat as an appetizer. Also, you can eat it with a combination of what we call the tres golpes, which is fried salami, eggs, and fried cheese. And you can eat this with tostones, which is the fried plantain, or boiled plantain, however you want to eat it. But this is famous Dominican dish. Just get as much oil as you can, and that's it. There you have it. That's your Dominican fried cheese. It's delicious. Okay, so we're having it with chicken strips and also chicken wings, but you can have it with anything. And for the batter, you can use anything. You can add your own seasoning. You can do it with cornmeal. We just kept it simple. Did it with flour, and of course, there's a ranch. That's a good match for the food. So, but there you have it, Dominican fried cheese. It's delicious. Thank you for visiting us in Scarfing It Down with Julio Lopez. Well, if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. So you notice here, we're eating it also with French fries.